Ready to get started here at Brookdale? We have so much to offer you. Let's hear from our Executive Director of Enrollment to learn how to get started on your journey here at Brookdale.
Welcome to Brookdale. My name is Beth Reilly, and I'm the Director of Admissions here at Brookdale, and I'm really happy to be speaking with you today. So what is the Office of Admissions? What do we do? Who are we? I like to think of us as your first introduction to Brookdale, the first step on your journey. Now you may ask yourself, so why Brookdale? Why would I choose Brookdale over other institutions? Well, my time is limited here, so I can't go into a lot of detail, but what I ask students all the time is why not Brookdale? Why would you not choose Brookdale? First of all, our programs of study are so varied. You have so many options to choose from. If you want to go right into a career, or if you want to move on to a four-year institution. Oh, you're undecided? That's okay too. I was undecided. I'm a very proud community college graduate, and I graduated with a degree in liberal arts and sciences, and I moved on to a four-year institution. And by the way, at Brookdale, we have so many programs for you that are partnered with our four-year institutions. So it's really quite simple. You start here and you go there. I mean it, it really is that simple. It's wonderful. And by the way, we are also really affordable. Did I tell you that? I want you to consider the colleges that you're thinking about choosing and look and do a side-by-side comparison of costs. You're going to be amazed. And considering that we are the Office of Admissions, we're absolutely going to help you with the application process. How do I get started? How do I apply? When will I hear about my decision? So we'll be able to get you all that information and guide you. So my staff and I, we really want to hear from you. We want you to give us a call, send us an email. We want to talk to you more about this. I hope to hear from you soon. We are Brookdale.
To get to know some of our other academic institutes and services, be sure to check out our other videos. We look forward to seeing you at our open house, where you can speak to our faculty, deans, and other department representatives. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you around campus.